वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम लोग एक्सरसाइज 8.2 के क्वेश्चंस 1 सॉल्व करेंगे। क्वेश्चन 1 इज sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60। Here value of sin 60 is root of 3 upon 2 and cos 30 has a value of root of 3 upon 2 plus sin 30 has a value of 1 upon 2 into cos 60 has a value of 1 upon 2. अब root 3 multiplied to give 3 upon 2 into 2 multiplied to give 4 plus 1 and 1 multiplied to give 1, 2 and 2 multiplied to give 4. After this 3 plus 1 4 upon 4, 4 cancel out to give value of 1. This is the answer of part first. Second part is 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Here 2 into tan square 45, tan 45 has a value 1, so tan square 45 value has 1 square plus cos 30 has a value of root of 3 upon 2 whole square minus sin 60 has a value root 3 upon 2 and its whole square. Now this we get 2 into 1 plus root 3 upon 2 whole square as 3 upon 4 minus this also 3 upon 4. This is 2 into 1 2 and 3 upon 4 3 upon 4 cancel out, and this is the answer of this part second. Third part of the question is cos 45 upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. We put the value cos 45 has a value 1 upon root of 2 upon sec 30 has a value of 2 upon root of 3 plus cosec 30 has a value of 2. After this इसको solve करेंगे same as it is 1 upon root of 2 whole divided by this will be 2 plus 2 root of 3 divided by root of 3. उसके बाद इसको हम लोग root 3 transpose the numerator, then this become root of 3 upon 2 into root of 2 into 2 root of 3 plus 2. Now this will be root of 3 upon 2 root of 3 root 2 multiplied to give 2 root of 6 and plus root 2 and 2 multiplied 2 root of 2. अब इसके बाद 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 के रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर से न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, then this will be 2 root of 6 and plus 2 root of 2 and 2 root of 6 minus 2 root of 2. This change to, by taking 2 as common, we get this as 2 times root of 18, 6 3 is 18 minus this will be 2 root of 6 whole divided by a square minus b square, that is 2 root 6 whole square minus 2 root 2 whole square, and this will be 2 root of 18. 18 we write 3 square into 2 minus 2 root of 6, and this will be 2 to the 4, 4 6 the 24 minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and this will become next part of this is 2 3 is 6 root of 2 minus 2 root of 6 upon 16. Now taking 2 as common here, this will be 2 times 3 root of 2 minus root of 6 upon 16, 2 8 is 16 and 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8 is the answer of this part of the. Fourth part of the question is sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. we put the values. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2 plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosec 60 is 2 upon root of 3 whole divided by sec 30 is 2 upon root of 3 plus cos 60 is 1 upon 2 plus cot 45 is plus 1. उसके बाद 1 upon 2 plus 1 पहले हम ऐड करेंगे, then this will be of 3 upon 2 minus 2 upon root of 3. उसके बाद इसमें भी 1 upon 2 plus 1 ऐड किया तो 2 upon root of 3 plus 3 upon 2. इसके बाद न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को सॉल्व करेंगे बाई टेकिंग एलसीएम. सो दिस विल बी 3 root 3 minus 4. 3 root of 3 minus 4 upon 2 root of 3 whole divided by 4 plus 3 root of 3. उसके बाद divided by 2 root of 3. 2 root of 3 2 root of 3 cancel out. This become 3 root of 3 minus 4 upon 3 root of 3 plus 4. इसको हम लोग रेशनलाइज करेंगे मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई 3 root of 3 minus 4 to numerator denominator 3 root of 3 minus 4 and then we can write this as 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square upon a square minus b square. This is a plus b, a minus b. 3 root of 3 whole square minus 4 square. Now this become 3 root of 3 whole square and plus 4 square minus 2 3 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24 root of 3 upon that of 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27 minus 4 4 ja 16. And now this become 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27 plus 16 minus 24 root of 3 whole divided by that of 11. This equal to 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. And this is the answer of part 4th of the question. Fifth part of the question is 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 whole divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 60. हम इसमें वैल्यू रखते हैं और 5 into cos 60 is of 1 upon 2 whole square plus 4 sec square 30 is 4 into sec 30 is same as 2 upon root of 3 whole square minus tan square 45 is as 1 whole divided by sin square 30 is 1 upon 2 square plus cos square 30 is root 3 upon 2 whole square. After this we write 5 into 1 upon 4 plus 4 into 4 upon 3 minus 1 whole divided by 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 and this we get 5 upon 4 plus 16 upon 3 minus 1 upon 1 whole divided by 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 added to give 4 upon 4 and this value is 1. Now LCM of 4 and 3 and 1 is 12. Then we write now 4 3 ja 12, 5 3 ja 15 plus 3 4 ja 12, 16 4 ja 64 minus 4 3 ja 12 1 ja 12. Now we get 15 plus 64 as 5 4 9, 6 1 7, 79 minus 12 upon 12. This will be 67 upon 12 and this is the answer of fifth part of the question. Thank you.